Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we've got a review of the NuPhy Air96 V2 wireless mechanical keyboard. If you're looking for a sleek, versatile, and high-performance keyboard, this might just be the one for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to click the link below to grab this keyboard today at the best price. First off, let's talk about design. The NuPhy Air96 V2 has a stunning, minimalist look. With its compact 96% layout, it offers a nice balance between size and functionality. The keyboard is super slim and lightweight, making it perfect for those who want a portable option without compromising on key features. The gray color gives it a professional, clean look, perfect for both office and gaming setups. Now, let's talk about performance. This keyboard is loaded with features that will impress any user, whether you're a gamer or someone who spends hours typing. It supports Bluetooth 5.1, 2.4G wireless, and wired connections, giving you flexibility for any setup. The connectivity is fast and stable, with no noticeable lag, even during intense gaming sessions. One of the standout features is the Gateron Blue Switches. These provide a satisfying tactile feedback with an audible click, making them ideal for those who love the classic mechanical feel. The typing experience is smooth, and the keys are responsive, offering great precision whether you're gaming or typing long documents. Battery life is another key aspect. Thanks to its efficient design, the NuPhy Air96 V2 delivers impressive battery performance, especially in Bluetooth mode. You can expect hours of use on a single charge, making it perfect for long gaming sessions or all-day work. For customization, the keyboard also offers key mapping options and supports various lighting effects. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and customizable, allowing you to adjust colors to suit your mood or gaming environment. Overall, the NuPhy Air96 V2 wireless mechanical keyboard is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable, stylish, and versatile keyboard. Whether you're working, gaming, or just typing, it performs exceptionally well in every area. Don't forget, you can grab this keyboard today at the best price by clicking the link below. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech reviews like this. Catch you in the next video.